Hey YouTube, it's your girl Itzparis back with another video. And today's video is going to be my first time trying seafood boil / mukbang, because like I really never had my own bag, but I tried like my sisters and stuff. It just really, I don't know, like people be amping this up, so I'm gonna try it and see if it's really good with the corn. I got shrimp, corn, potatoes, and I made my own boiled eggs because I don't trust everybody boiled eggs. And last time I had one of the boiled eggs, they didn't make it right, so no. So I got my own bag, y'all. I hope they seasoned it right. I got mild because the last one I tried, what my sister had, was too spicy. So I'm like, no, I need to get mild because it was way too spicy, y'all. So I'm gonna cut these eggs in half so I can have bite-sized ones. Then I don't know how people eat this, so I'm just gonna put it in this. I'm gonna put it in this little container I got with my eggs and stuff in it. Cause baby, I'm not gonna be digging in the bag. Keep digging in the bag. Like I'm supposed to even open this bag. Like the tie. Y'all, I hate the smell of seafood boil. Like it really stinks the whole house up. That's why one part where I didn't want to eat it. But when I tried the little shrimp or whatever one time, it was good. So I'm like, let me try it. Let me just, try seafood boil for once. Bro. Y'all see the corn of the shrimp, y'all? I'm not really a seafood fan, but I hate the smell of it. Like, it really stinks, bro. I'm scared to dig my hands in it. I need some gloves or something.
20 minutes later.
I'm gonna get dirty, bro. Like, you got some gloves?
What, man?
You got some gloves?
What? Yeah, purple.
I can't dig my hand in here. Bro, it's too good.
I don't have no more, babe.
Oh my god. Okay.
I don't have no more.
Alright. They only gave me 2 potatoes, bro. I know I'm not gonna eat all this shrimp, so I'm gonna get a little bit more and I'm gonna close the bag back. Put some of this sauce on my eggs. I hope my camera don't die while I'm doing that shit. It's everywhere. See this? I can't do this. It's everywhere, bro. Y'all, for the first taste test of shrimp. I be scared to taste new food, y'all. Cause like, what is this stuff on here? Like, I gotta observe my food before I just dig in this shit and eat it because, baby. It's alright. Yeah. I gotta get with my eggs, the favorite part. Mom, is this onions in here?
No.
What is
garlic?
Oh, I was gonna say,
Yeah, that's garlic. Man, like, where's mine?
I'll say with some shrimp. But,
Oh, you showed her already?
Uh-uh.
Make her mad like she be trying to do you. Send it to her like, look what mommy got. Look what mommy got.
Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna taste this corn. Cause this is taking all the juice up. I need to get some juice on my freaking food, y'all. It make it sweet. Oh yeah. That's good. It got a sweet garlic. I love that. I love that. Now, y'all, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna start eating seafood boiled like that, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. I think I'm gonna have to season it a little bit more because I like my stuff seasoned. They don't know how to season it. And cook my shrimp a little longer. Put my shrimp in the oven. But overall, this is like an 8 out of 10. Y'all like my pink hair though? Just got my wig done yesterday. Gotta get my eyebrows done. Either today or tomorrow, because I'm going out tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to an Afrobeat club tomorrow, so I gotta get, you know, together, baby, because I never go out looking crazy. Also, y'all, this is a synthetic wig too. I had to try it because the girl was putting us on TikTok. Y'all, this is actually good. Like, I'm not gonna eat all this, so I'm gonna save something for me tomorrow or later one day. But this is actually good. Food journalist, his name is Keith Lee. He needs to try this because, baby, this is 8 out of 10. Like, I feel like, but he don't eat seafood though. Yeah. I'm pretty sure he said he don't eat seafood. Oh, I didn't even try the potato. I gotta cook the potato in half. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit. No, I ain't got time. I don't want my camera to die, so let me hurry up. Wrap this up. I think I need to put this back in the oven. I like my shit hot. It's alright. But the best part is the corn to me. That corn hit. That corn hit. How did you just work out that fast?
I told you I was gonna work out not that long. I had some of it.
Look what I'm trying.
What's that?
Seafood boil.
Yeah. Was you trying to look cute for a week, Doc?
Alright, y'all. That was the end of the video, y'all. I put the rest of the food up because I got full. I put the rest up and I'm gonna eat the rest later. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe. If you're back, like and comment. Tune into Itzparis because the videos is just gonna get better. The content is just gonna get better. And y'all gonna want to be a part of that. Yeah.